If you're looking for the installation or repair of your glazing in Lincolnshire, Nottinghamshire, Norfolk, Cambridgeshire or the Midlands, then True Window and Glass Centre can provide everything you need. Our friendly and helpful office staff, as well as our expert team of accredited and certified engineers and fitters, are all on hand to make sure you get the very best quality and service. We can provide for the repair and installation of energy-efficient window systems and secondary glazing, conservatories, bifolding doors, French and patio doors, in UPVC or aluminium. For those looking for a specialist home improvement, we can also offer a range of quality carports, porches and canopies. We can also offer bespoke glass items, such as painted glass splashbacks and glass shelving. We offer highly competitive prices, allowing you to enjoy leading quality without breaking the bank. Our team will work with you to ensure minimum disruption to your daily life, whether it be for a small repair, full house of windows or conservatory. We supply and fit to the trade and public, including for housing, flats, schools and commercial buildings. The expert engineers at our Lincoln-based manufacturing plant are ready to build whatever you need in our state-of-the-art facilities. True Window and Glass Centre. Get in touch for a free quote or advice today.